fish is flapping.
Got it?
I'm trying to get it. He's in here. Man, they don't have no dumpster out here. No dumpster. Hello, how are you? It's a lot. That's some hot cylinders to get. Look what that is. Check this out. Pantry. I mean, dust everywhere. No fixtures in here. But all of this, that things. The lighting's not on. It's actually pretty clean. It's already drilled. It's in a rough. See this? I work in beautiful places again, like I said. I work. See if I can get this bird. Blowing the dust for days. Again, working beautiful places. Here's the bathroom. This is gonna stay. I don't think that. I don't know. I don't know if it's supposed to be that color. Everything else is stainless, so I'm gonna take a guess. All this paper's gonna stay. I'm taking this a freestanding tub. It's gonna be there. I might reconsider that number I gave you.
You said
I might reconsider it. Because you're gonna have a dumpster outside. Look at all this paper. They don't have one. Anyway. Hello, how are you? Alright. This is a nice one.
Wonderful.
There you go.
Way better. This is a nice one.
They're in.
Yeah, over here. The master.
Shirts? Yeah, they're in.
Oh, this one's Jack and Jill. And that glass. This right here. That's dusty as fuck. I don't even want to know what that looks like.
Okay, so tomorrow what will it be? All the stickers are off.
Is that paint? Walk over there and see that yellow paint on that ledge. Or just dust from them sand or something.
It's not painted yet.
Alright. I mean, that's going to be an issue because as soon as you stand here, you can see right on top of all of that. need that grill. Hey, that towel's nice. Nice contrast. You gotta have TV. Watch the water. Oh man, that's not done. That's how it goes. I don't know, man. I think they might have got the best lot. Did the best with it. Can we go look at that other one we did the other day? See exactly what that's gonna take. See the towel. Is this the look or is this drying? It's gonna look like that. Yeah, ask about that. Hey Tim, are these still drying? Or are we going? It's gonna be that, or are these still drying, or did they mix grout? Here and over here on this wall. Guys, I got a bunch of emails lately since I put my email address out there. I'm gonna do a special on the course. I know some people have asked because they seen the price went up. I left the price what it was for 2.5 years to allow my early comers to come in and take advantage of it while it was still new. Since then, obviously the price has gone up like everything else. But what I can do for you guys that are interested in getting a course in the next 24 hours, 48 hours, here's what I'm going to do. Wednesday, I'm going to put the course up for sale. I'm going to do it for sale at, I'll do 50% off for you guys. I'll do it at 50% off for you guys. Put it on sale. But you're only going to have 24 hours to get that deal. After that 24 hours, price goes back up to where it is. And I'm going to limit that price offer point to 10 people. So only 10 people will be able to get the course for 50% off Wednesday. 24 hours, or however long it takes those 10 people to go in and secure that code. Again, shout out to you guys for taking action. Shout out to you guys for watching the channel, leaving comments, jumping in my email. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. I'm trying to get y'all to where I'm at right now. And be like, where you at right now? You see this truck right here? 100% business credit. No PG. That's how I want y'all to be. That's why I'm trying to give y'all all the jewels, all the tricks, all the everything. That's 2020 heavy duty right here. Big dirty max, you know what I'm saying? So I want y'all to be able to do that too. And you already know, over a certain weight limit, it's a tax write-off for the business. So we're all about structure. We're all about process. We're all about systems. We're all about getting that money. So for everybody that wants to take advantage of the course, I will lower the price for you. 10 people. Whoever get the first 10 slots, you're going to get it at a 50% off offering. And I want you guys to have a good day.